Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Esther from Gather and Create, if we have not met before. It's really great to have you here, and I have a Cricut Maker video for you today. We're going to be decorating a mug. Actually, I have already decorated the mug, so I can't show you the front, but I can show you the other side. This is a IKEA mug. It was something like £1.75, I think, here in the UK, and it's a quick and simple Cricut video for you. If you haven't seen them before, then it's just a quick step-by-step guide on how to create something cute. So let's see. Okay, I'm now on the landing page for Cricut Design Space. Here you'll see your saved projects if you have any, and if you scroll down you'll see the Cricut Access items, ready to make items, video tutorials, all sorts of exciting stuff. Today I'm going to hop straight over to New Project on the right here. And that's opened the actual designing space. I'm not doing anything complicated today. I'm just going to go from this left hand bar here, I'm going to select images. And I know that I want an image or text with T, so I'm going to select T and I'm going to hit the filter so that I only get phrases. So I'm just ticking this phrases box. Let's click out of the box so I can see, and I know that this is the one I want, so I'm going to click on that. That's highlighted it. You can see a green border around it. I'm going to come to the bottom right here and press Insert Images. And this is what I've got on my mat, so I'm going to just scoot that over there. This looks like it's pretty good. I know the depth of my mug is about 3 inches, that's fine. Even if it has to just curve under a little bit, that's fine. I'm going to just scoot it up a tiny bit more, and the width is absolutely fine too. So the next step is the magic Make It button. There's Make It here and the green button. And it's loaded it onto my mat. I can see everything's correct. Project copies 1. That's what my mat looks like. There's just one mat. This is a 12 by 12 mat, and I don't need a mirror on. Press continue. Okay, so it's now come up with my Bluetooth, and I'm going to select my material, vinyl, and I'm ready to go. So let's cut it out. So with that all done, it's now time to start what you might have heard of being called the weeding process, and that basically is just taking off everything we don't need. I'm just going to peel that off here. I'd probably be a bit more frugal if I wasn't on camera. And then you're just going to take out all the bits you don't need, basically. So the insides of your letters on this occasion. That one's being a bit stubborn, isn't it? It's trying to hang on for dear life. Here we go. And I've purposely just used a very simple image. It doesn't need much reading, so I wanted this to be just a quick video. It's being very sticky. I guess that's a good thing. Okay, that's done, and now we need some transfer tape. I'm just going to take this off the mat, and I'm going to grab my transfer tape, which comes in a big roll. You just cut it to size. About right. Just put this down to make life easier. And you're going to peel the backing off your transfer tape. And just lay that over. I'm just going to trim that off to make life easier again. Okay, now I'm going to just grab my scrapey tool. Just to ensure that that has gone properly onto the transfer tape when I peel that off. Just burnishing it on there. If you try one corner out, then you'll soon find out if it's not quite ready, like so. Once one corner's gone, it tends to be ready. So now you've got your image ready to stick where you want it to. On this occasion, it's our mug, isn't it? So here we go. So I'm just going to try and pop that on its side. Oops. It's very eager today. Okay. It's going to be a by eye situation. Now I'm pleased with the configuration, given the size of the shape of the cup. I think that's a good way to go. Let's rub that a bit. I've got some curves. Let's see. Now hand wash only for these. Let's just rub that a bit more. don't panic, just burnish it a bit more. It's the little things like dots on the eyes that you have to be careful with as well. Sometimes you've got rid of them without even realising. And that's it. But first, tea. Indeed, my favourite thing to do. Okay, that's it for today's quick Cricut video. I hope you enjoyed that and it's inspired you to make that purchase, or if you've got one already and it's still in the box, that makes me very sad. So yeah, if you'd like to, if you don't have one and you'd like to order one, if you use the link in the description below, that would be great. And yeah, hit the like and subscribe button, that makes me very happy. Until next time, bye bye.